What happens when you eat chia seeds daily? Small but powerful, chia seeds might look insignificant, but they are an incredible addition to your diet. Chia seeds are incredibly versatile and loaded with nutritional value. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of adding them to your daily meals. Before we dive in, please remember that all the information provided is thoroughly fact-checked and reviewed by health professionals. Now, let's find out what happens to your body when you eat chia seeds every day. 1. Stabilizing blood sugar. Chia seeds may reduce blood sugar spikes, especially in people with type 2 diabetes. A 2017 study found that chia seeds were more effective than flax seeds in slowing glucose release. Their fiber content also improves insulin sensitivity and stabilizes blood sugar after meals. 2. Supporting heart health. Chia seeds contain quercetin, an antioxidant that may lower the risk of heart disease. They are also a source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health. About 75% of the fats in chia seeds are alpha-linolenic acid, with omega-6 fatty acids making up the rest. This balanced ratio can help prevent heart conditions and lower the risk of early death. While research on chia seeds and heart disease is still growing, studies on animals have shown their potential to reduce triglycerides, oxidative stress, and high blood pressure, key factors in heart health. 3. Packed with nutrients. 1 serving, 2 tablespoons, of chia seeds contains 138 calories, 8.7 grams of fat, 11.9 grams of carbs, and 4.7 grams of protein. They are also rich in magnesium, phosphorus, and B vitamins, making them a powerhouse of nutrients. 4. Improved digestion. Chia seeds are rich in fiber, providing about 10 grams per serving. This amounts to 29 to 45% of the recommended daily intake, depending on your dietary needs. Fiber is vital for maintaining a healthy digestive system, improving heart health, and lowering cholesterol levels. Unfortunately, many people today lack sufficient fiber in their diets, which can lead to issues like constipation or diabetes. With both soluble and insoluble fiber, chia seeds support a balanced and healthy diet. 5. Reducing inflammation. Chronic inflammation, linked to heart disease, cancer, and other severe conditions, can be eased with chia seeds. Their omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids and antioxidants, like caffeic acid, work to lower inflammation levels in the body, reducing the risk of inflammatory diseases. 6. Reducing free radicals. Loaded with antioxidants, chia seeds can combat oxidative stress, which damages cells and contributes to aging and diseases like cancer. With antioxidants like quercetin, myristin, and caffeic acid, chia seeds may reduce the risk of liver and heart disease while lowering cancer risk. Chlorogenic acid, another compound in chia seeds, has been shown to reduce blood pressure. 7. Strengthening bones. Rich in calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, chia seeds are excellent for bone health. A single ounce provides 18% of the daily calcium requirement, surpassing dairy products. Studies on animals also suggest that chia seeds enhance bone mineral density. 8. Aiding weight management. Chia seeds can help with weight control, mainly due to their high fiber content. A 2011 study revealed that chia seeds might assist in reducing body weight in the short term. In another study, participants who added chia seeds to yogurt felt fuller than those who ate yogurt without them. Although more research is needed, chia seeds are an excellent addition to your meals to help you feel satisfied longer and reduce the urge to snack on unhealthy options. Their fiber content also helps regulate blood sugar levels after meals. 9. Cholesterol control. Research suggests chia seeds may positively affect cholesterol levels. A 2021 review of 10 clinical trials found that chia seeds can boost HDL, good cholesterol, potentially improving cardiovascular health. Additionally, they may help lower LDL, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides, especially for people with diabetes or metabolic syndrome who include 25 to 50 grams of chia seeds in their diet daily. Chia seeds are an exceptional superfood with countless benefits. Don't overlook these tiny seeds. They can have a big impact on your health. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more informative content. Your wellness is our priority. DocOnline.